Can you say hi? Can you say hi? You're the most beautiful girl. Yeah! You are. Right? Who's the most beautiful girl? You? Yeah. Oh. You got something to say? Do you have something to say? Huh? Well, just say it. Yeah? What else? Don't be shy. What else you gotta say? What else? Did you have a good day? Did you have fun with Mommy? Did you? Can you stick your tongue out? Miles! What? Yeah? Miles! Oh, you're so pretty. Yeah, you are so pretty. Yeah. Who's the prettiest baby? Who's the prettiest baby? Who's the prettiest baby? Yeah, you are. You're like having a full-on conversations now, aren't you? Yeah.
No, what?
I've never heard you talk like this. And you smile at me. What are you hiding? Don't you hide. You're too pretty to hide. What's wrong? Nothing? You used to talk to little baby? Oh, bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Salud. You feel better now you sneezed? Yeah. Is that your way of saying yeah? Can you say yeah?
Aww.
You find your thumb? Yes, you did. Don't bite it. Don't bite it. I think you learned earlier that's not good to bite on. Yeah. Hi. Can we get this? You okay? Try to find your thumb. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Mommy's been recording us. Oh, I know. I don't want to be on the camera either. Okay, stop it, Mommy. Oh, what's wrong? You really are camera shy. No?
No, she's not. She's a lady.
Can you say hi? Say hi. Give me smiles. I'm gonna smile. I wanna smile. No. No smile. Please. 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 Please, please. Oh, okay.
She's yelling at you.
Don't you yell at me. Oh, oh no.
Aww.
Oh no, are we all done? Are we all done? You want your passy? I don't know, but I like it when you talk to me. I do. Want your passy?
Oh, I knew you had some.
You want your passy? Okay, here you go. You trying to go poopy or something?